Hey mga peeps, good morning. Today, iba naman ang venue natin. Diba? Iba ang venue natin. Couldn't sleep again last night kasi creativity. Isip-isip, you know how it is. So, meron akong story na gustong, nahulog. Meron akong story na gustong kong ikwento mo. So, meron akong katrabaho dati. Meron akong katrabaho dati. Doon sa trabaho ko, wala kasi masyadong Pilipino dati. Pero, dumadami-dami naman din. So, Pilipino na to. Halata siyang Pilipino. So, di ba, usap ko, I was like, hey, kababayan, Filipino ka, diba? He's like, yeah, man. I was like, okay. Isip-isip ko, sige, English pala tayo. And then I was like, you know, the usual, taga-saan kayo, sa atin, whatever, dun. And then, sinabi niya sa akin na, sorry bro, I don't speak English, or I don't speak Tagalog. I'm like, isip-isip ko, like, damn, di ba? And of course, you know, it's fine kasi iba-iba naman, like, everyone walks up, everyone has walks of life, and iba-iba. But, isip-isip ko, like, damn, man, can you at least understand? Sabi niya, just a little bit. I'm like, a little bit? That's hard. So, amin ko, hindi naman ako masyadong malakas mag-Tagalog. Broken pa minsan. But, at least nakakaintindi ako at nakakausap ako kahit paano. Even though, medyo sira. Kaya ko din mag-tricycle. O, diba? O, kuya, ate, pwede po bang doon po sa bayan? O, magkano pong bayan? O, diba? So, tricycle, check. Kaya ko ba tawad-tawad sa palengke? Definitely not. That's hard. Mahirap yun. But, at least, you know, kahit paano marunong ako. Even though first language ko is American. Nah, just kidding. English. Tapos, secondary ko, Tagalog. Kahit paano. Moral of the story is, mga tito, tita, soon to be parentes, at least dapat we have an obligation to teach our spawns kahit Tagalog. Or kausapin sila in Tagalog. Kahit pa paano. Alright, mga peeps, stay mainit. See you guys soon. Say bye. Okay. Sige.